Good afternoon. How are you all? Are you having a good day?
Yes.
That's great. That's great. I am so happy to see you. This is my favorite day when you all come to the Capitol. You know why?
Why?
Because what we do here is about you. It's about the future. You know, Washington is a place, pass it on, okay? Washington is a place when you go outside, you see all of these statues of people who lived 100 or 200 years ago. And they're all, many of them are heroes to us because of how they helped build our country. But they're history, and you are the future. And what we do here has to be about your future, about school and health care and all kinds of issues, the environment in which you live, global warming, those kinds of issues, because it's your future, and we have a responsibility to make it better. So who wants to have the first question? Hi, Kelly.
What's the best part of being a speaker?
Today, this is absolutely it. Yet, I guess the first day that I got sworn in was a wonderful day for me, and I was able to have all the children around me. I don't know if you ever saw that picture, because it was also an indication of what my purpose was there. What I like best is working with people. In order to do this and to be speaker, Naomi, you have to like people.
Do you like being a speaker?
Do I like it? Do I like being speaker? It's fabulous.
What's your opinion on the rock timeline?
I'm sorry. Oh, I support it. What is my opinion on the Iraq timeline? I think it's important. All of us have to have goals in life, and we have to have some measure of what we're doing to get there. Say, for example, if you're thinking about one day you want to go to college, you know that you have to study and get good grades, and then get into the high school that's good that gets you into the college. So I think that it's important to have goals, and then timelines, measures of success along the way. So I think we should do the same thing in life. If I had one thing that I could do, though, and I always talk about this when I keep reminding people of why we should be working very hard, is there's 1 in 5 children in America lives in poverty, and they don't have any as the same opportunities as other children. And I think it would be important to all children if every child had the same opportunity. So again, it always comes back to children. I wish we could do this every day. I'll get more candy. Get a letter from your parents to the teacher, and we can do this on a more regular basis because you really are an inspiration. It just is so inspiring as to why we're here and what our responsibility is. Besides, it'd be a lot more fun around here if there were a lot more kids here, don't you think? And anyway, thank you very much for coming. You ready to go?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're ready to go.
I have to go home because I have a lot of hours.
Oh, we have to go because he has a lot of allergies. Oh, please. You don't have an allergy to chocolate, do you?
Well, chocolates make me feel better.
All right. I think I have a kindred spirit here.
I love eating chocolate.
All right, let's hear it for chocolate.